No, it's just pause and you're not pointing it at yourself. Hi, YouTube! Say hi to YouTube. And I'm making the video with my computer. You're not making it.
Go on YouTube?
No, I'm making the video, not you.
You go on YouTube?
No, go on Animal Jam.
No, Charity. Is that video going on YouTube?
Yes, and we're rolling right now. So click on best dress, but don't click play. 2. Okay. Are we in the same one? Are we in the same one?
I don't know. I don't see an Arctic fox. Yes, I do.
An Arctic
I
fox?
see a wolf. Where are you?
For now, I'm just dressing up.
Charity, I'm gonna look like a werewolf.
Why?
I'm gonna be wearing a rare werewolf. I'm gonna dress up as Pippi Longstocking.
Pippi Longstocking, coming from another
Coming
world.
into your world. Charity, did you get the audition?
I don't know.
Did you get the part?
I don't know.
When are you gonna get the thing?
Don't
Get
ask.
if you are or not.
Pippi Longstocking, coming onto your world.
Who's on her? Since she's Pippi Longstocking, can fly. What's your first theme?
I don't have a theme.
I do.
Okay, we're not in the same one. Quit it. Quit.
Why?
Because we have to be in the same one for the video.
But we were.
No, we weren't. Because I didn't have a theme. Click best dress but not play. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2.
1, 2, 3. Okay, Charity. Are you playing yet?
No.
Okay. Are you up where it says rules and play?
Yes.
Okay. On the count of 3, we're gonna press play. Okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, I see a wolf. Do you see me?
I don't see an Arctic fox.
Did you just start?
I don't see an Arctic fox.
Did you just start?
What?
What is your theme?
I don't know.
You don't have a theme, do you? Do you have a theme?
No.
Okay, we're not in the same one. We need to quit.
Okay.
Go on where it says rules and play. 1,
Okay. Let's dress.
1. Okay, 1, 2,
2,
3.
3. I see an Arctic wolf next to me.
That one's not. Oh, and do you see another Arctic wolf?
No.
You don't have a round yet, do you?
Yeah, no.
I'm just putting on everything.
I'm pretending to dress up right now.
So am I. And I'm putting on
I'm putting on sunflower glasses.
everything. I'm putting on everything.
I'm already here.
No, you're not. Ah, yes I can. I'm just doing it.
I'm a reindeer.
take?
No,
I'm doing random colors.
Charity, what's wrong?
Nothing. I'm just trying to put on random. I'm just trying to wait. Oh, did you just start?
Are you wearing a tiara?
No.
Dress up like the most like a ninja.
Yes, we're in the same one. I got ninja.
I got dressed most like a ninja.
So did I. I may look like a boy when I do this, but I don't care.
Ninja. This is hard.
I'll try this. It covers my whole body. I'll put nothing on the neck.
No, Jake.
What's he doing?
I feel win. I just want to look like a ninja. No, I only have 2 more seconds left, Charity.
I just
I
quit.
don't look like a ninja.
I look so weird.
No.
You look so weird. Buddy,
I know.
Buddy the Arctic,
I'm
vote for the Arctic Wolf with the dragon mask. No, I'm wearing the dragon mask.
Oh, I see. You're not next to me. You're next to me, dragon mask.
I know. I want to see if I won. Yes, I got it.
You're in first place.
I know.
I was second place. Just like Magica, I got 125 gems, and I got 1 vote. Did you vote for me?
Yeah? How many did I get? How many gems did you get?
Looks like a robot.
How many gems did you get? Caitlin, how many gems did you get? How many gems did you get? I will not answer you until you tell me how many gems you got.
I got 125.
Thank you. Okay, most like a robot. I'm just going to dress up random.
I'm wearing a pumpkin mask.
That won't help.
A rhino hat, actually. Robot. Netflix, eats, that's weird.
I don't care how I look. This is how I'm going to look, and I don't care.
I'm not gonna be first pick. Jenny, you look creepy.
I don't care. I like this headdress, and I like the glove.
Jenny, are you gonna vote for me?
I just did. Vote for me.
No, Jenny.
Vote for me.
I did.
I voted for you. What does Jake keep doing?
Jenny got third place. I'm someone else. I didn't know you only could vote for one person. I'm sorry, Charity. I'll promise I'll vote for you from now on, Kat.
Most like a firefighter. Firefighter. I'll just put on a police hat. That's what I'm doing. We have at least 6 more minutes until the video ends. Because it only lets me do 15 minutes.
I'm done. I'm dressed up like a firefighter. Yeah, okay. Julia, you're not talking to me anymore. Bye.
Julia, really? She was talking to you?
Jenny, I voted for you. Jenny, we're wearing the same thing except the back. That's so funny.
Aw. How'd they get first? How'd they get first?
Yeah. We got a question, Jenny.
many gems we're getting. Most like a pirate.
The most like a pirate.
I'll just stay my color. There's nothing for your pirate, man. Nothing for your head for a pirate. So I'll just wear a mohawk. I'm gonna look weird. Okay, I'm done.
Why?
I don't mean I'm done with the game. I'm done with my outfit.
So am I. I think I'm gonna win.
You're wearing a police
A
hat?
sword, a pirate hat, and an orange collar. You wanna
Wait.
see it?
There was not a pirate hat.
Yeah, there was.
I didn't get a pirate hat. That's why I wore the mohawk. You only can vote for one person.
I know, I voted for you.
They wore nothing. Oh my gosh, that person wore nothing.
I got 125 jobs.
Me too. This, Grandma, can you cut me an apple? No skin. Please. Ooh, Caitlin, I'm mastered at looking like a phantom. I have the exact phantom mask. There's no phantom anything, so I'll just wear the bat mask. As a phantom? Yes. I really want a rare spike. You know they make rare spikes, right?
What?
They make rare spikes, you know.
I'm done. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I am.
Decide, woman. You only got like a second.
Jeremy! We were wearing same shotgun and same headdress.
It's not a headdress. It's a bat mask. It's a bat mask. I wonder if I'm gonna win. Mm. Yeah? I only got one vote. Come on. Oh, that's so not fair. Most like a leader.
Leader. This is easy. No, this is easy. Elf helmet.
That's not a leader. I'm gonna wear the pink fox hat.
What pink box hat?
There's a pink fox hat. This
Make you look like an elf.
really does suit me.
I'm with the little creepy cheeky head. Ow.
This outfit really does suit me.
Let's see here. Where the boots?
Caitlin, you should be in the computer more often than you are on Animal Jam, even if I'm not on, because then it's fun. Vote for me. Vote for me.
I voted for you. Vote for me.
I just did.
I vote for you.
Cool,
Did you
my
vote
bracelet
for me?
Yeah.
Good.
Yes. Did I look most like a leader? I got 3 votes.
I got 1 vote. And 100.
I got 200. How many did you get?